Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate a very easy, festive, and bright craft for you guys to do. We're going to have these packets sitting outside on the table outside the library in a bin, so it's for all ages. You guys can come and take some. They are Fiesta tissue paper flowers, so you will get enough to make 3 flowers in one bag and an instruction sheet. They're very easy, and all you need at home is a stapler and some scissors. So I'll show you real quick how to do it. For one flower, you're going to have 8 tissue paper squares. You can either do one solid color or mix up the colors that are in the bag, whatever you want. So you just stack up the 8 squares. They don't have to be perfect because the end result is this. It kind of gets fluffed and whatever anyway. So in order to start it, you do an accordion fold. So you'll just go back and forth, I would say about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of a fold. So you'll start one way, and then just do an accordion fold till they're all done. On the instruction sheet, it does say you'll probably have about 7 folds, but anything is fine. It doesn't really matter. Mine usually turn out to be about 6. But just until you get to the end. And if the last one is a little bit shorter, that does not matter. So then you've got your accordion fold of the tissue paper stack, and then right in the middle, you just put a little staple in. Don't measure, it doesn't have to be exact. And then you pull apart the sides like this. You'll do one at a time. Actually, before you do that, sorry, you decide what kind of edge you want your flower to have. You can either leave it straight, or this one I did a diagonal cut, a pointy corner, or you can do a rounded edge. So I'll make a rounded edge on these. Or you can get crazy, do whatever you want. Zigzag, you can do a little fringe. They're all fun. So then we pull it apart, do one side, and then you just start pulling up the layers one at a time. You do have to be a little careful. Don't pull too hard or too fast because it is tissue paper after all, so it could very easily tear. But if it does, don't worry about that, because again, it just ends up being a fluffy little flower. You won't even see the tears. So you'll just keep pulling them apart, one layer at a time. Kind of pull them as much as you can towards the middle. You can't get exactly to the middle. It won't go that far. We're almost done with one side. Now it's really fun to just put these on the wall and brighten up your space since we're all at home anyway. But fun, and really anyone can do this. Oops, see, I just ripped mine, but that's okay. Almost done here. And for the last one, I kind of hold it there and then pull it down a little. So we've got one side. Now we'll just flip it over and do the other. Kind of spread your accordion out a little bit. I've also had these as party decorations. Those are fun. Cheap, simple, bright, and cute. All right, we're getting there. So if anyone is having a homeschool room, make little tissue paper flowers, put them on the wall. It'll be exciting. Alrighty, and voila, you have a tissue paper flower. Like I said, you can switch up your edges, you can switch up the colors, they're really fun. So come and grab a pack while supplies last. Bye!